All right, we are going live. It's Kaelan Moss here. Therion Thacker's about to join, and we're going to continue going on with the content builder email. I'm going to start the timer for this session, and we're going to do 45 minutes. So I'm going to share my screen here, and we're just going to get in here and really just set up our environment to be a place of practice right here. Okay. Pulling Therion in. Hey, what's up, Josh? We got, hey, yes, sir. Another round, another day.
Hey, Josh, Kaelan, what's up? Happy Saturday.
What up, Triple T? Happy Saturday, man.
Let's do it.
So we have, we have,
Where'd we leave off?
Where are we at? Okay, we have Cameron Robert.
We were almost done. I know that.
Yeah, almost done. We were honestly, what we were doing actually wasn't even from his video. It was from.
It was extra, right?
Yeah, it was the extra.
That was the extra assignment. Yep.
Which I'm actually so glad we did.
Yes.
And I'm also so glad I have YouTube Premium now. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Straight to the video.
Listen, I know. I mean, we're giving back to the person that's supplying the video, and we're taking away from the advertisements. But listen, it's worth the extra $5 a month.
Yes. Yes.
So I got you. I got my mom hooked up. So yep. So we're no advertisements, Josh. That's right. That's right. I'm sharing the love. I'm sharing the love with everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Man, so clutch.
It's a life changer.
It is. It really is.
And if anybody uses Twitch, it's the same way. If you're watching a stream that you know is 4 hours long, you're going to subscribe because you don't want 3 commercials in the middle of them covering something you want to see.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so funny to see the comments when the ads pop up because you'll see the people who are getting ads. They're like, ads? Are you kidding me? Quit. They're like talking trash. And usually the streamer is like, I got kids to feed, man. You all gonna have to subscribe.
I'm gonna hit that subscribe button one way or
another. Hit that subscribe button, man.
I'm gonna get this money, or I'm gonna get this subscription.
That's right. That's right. Oh, that's right. We left off at the smiley face and the sad face. Yep.
Dude, so what I really like and what I'm seeing here is imagine being able to let's do his whole exercise.
Mm-hmm.
And let's because dude, I'm really excited to see this. Look, bro, we made this.
Dude, that looks good.
Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks.
It looks really good.
I mean, the font is a little bit different, but
that's okay.
And it's grayer over here, but honestly, it's like, okay, we can go in and find that color specifically.
And I'm guessing there's somebody with a marketing degree that comes in and says, that's too hard on the eyes. We need to soften that up.
Yes.
Right?
Yep. Exactly.
Absolutely.
Email Studio Resource Center, quick feedback. Look at this. Okay, the only thing we need to add in
is our little smiley faces, right? We need to track that down in the code.
Yep.
And remember, Josh, these came from really good emails. Didn't even know this existed until we found this week.
Website. I'm gonna put the link in the chat. So let's find these little. Let me click on. Oh yeah, we got it. You have to click on code.
Yep. I'm going to the Salesforce ad now so I can get into the code.
Dude, I'm gonna sign into really good emails just because I don't
already created an account. I'm already ahead of you. I couldn't help myself. I'm a glutton for accounts at this point. Let's go. Yeah. Give me that technology. Give me all of it.
For real.
Because we type in Salesforce to this email, to what we're searching. But honestly, what's really there that people have created that is fun and unique is limitless in this little website here.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And imagine all the stuff that's behind the scenes.
And Josh, you said it looks hella nice. Wait till you go to this website and see the emails other people are creating, man. Some of these trailhead emails with the hero images that are curved and perfectly fit to the mobile display, that's some work. That's some work.
Yeah. Dude, I don't get why it's saying sign up with Twitter.
I completely bypassed that. Yep. I got rid of my Twitter account for a little bit.
Dude, this thing really, it's saying my password isn't any good.
Let's see if it let's see here. Okay, no, it's got me logged in.
Oh my,
I
this
squeezed
is
through.
time.
I squeezed through.
This is
I'm trying to find where's the email that we're working on here? Oh, there it is. Okay, got it. Okay, go into building and testing. Okay, let me see this little fella right here.
Oh my gosh. All right. Their sign up process stinks.
Oh, it's rough. It's definitely rough.
So I'm going to stay signed out.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Let me see if I can find it here as I'm going through the code.
Email Studio Resource Center. And then quick feedback, line 136.
Here we go. That's right. Okay, got it. Okay, code. Going down to smiley faces.
Is it
Okay.
this?
I'm looking. Almost there.
Line 154.
Line 154. I am there.
Or 155.
So download image.mail.salesforce.com lib PNG display block. I'm taking a peek at it. Feed image.
Let's see. Image block.
Drop
URL.
Yep. Oh!
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Hey, look, but you know what I really love is the fact that I can go and find line 155 because I understand what image source means right here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then because I was going to get this pages, but I was like, wait, it says image right here.
Yeah, yep. I'm looking at it right now.
And then where's the frowny face image? Where's that?
I'm searching for that right now. I'm looking. Okay, so we go back down to another pages.mail. And then we get to the footer. Where is it hiding above that footer? Cell padding, hide side pad, silent content wrapper.
So the font size is 42. Table width, align left, cell padding, cell spacing, border.
I'm looking at that too. And then align left. So I feel like it should be right after this though. But you see, we got the image block in the first one, right?
What is this long AHREF right here?
Goodness gracious. I have no idea what this HTTP is. Why that's our sad face, I have no clue, man.
Is that it?
I don't know. I'm still, it's so long. I've dragged it across the 49-inch monitor and it hasn't ended yet.
Bro, look at this. Every table is pretty much the same. Table, width, align, cell padding, cell spacing, border, align, width. Look, width, align, cell padding, cell spacing, border, align, V-align, AHREF. And then there's an AHREF.
I mean, dude, that sad face is coming from that second HTTP. Yep. It's lit up in my code block right now. That is that's the place where that comes from. Wow. Wait, is there? See, you're
right
still
here.
going
Right here.
You find it? Oh,
right here. Image source.
So when I told you I stretched it across my 49-inch, I did the entire piece of code, and it never ended from
Never ended.
from end.
I wonder
It's
if you can
the
press enter.
it's the longest HTTP I've
Hey,
ever
look,
seen.
you can
There it
press
is.
enter in the code. Look. Class goes from line 166 to 167. Bro, hold on. Look at this. Hold on. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's say I go to Unsplash.
Grab an image.
And I find an image.
Bring it up. I use the same website, so let's go.
Inspect. Find that image in the inspection.
There it is. I'm looking at a separate image than you.
https:/images.
There it is. It's up here.
How do I find it over here on the right? What's the stuff on the right? What's the stuff? Filter, HOV.
Yeah, I've got filter, inherited.
Focus visible. What's that mean?
Wait a minute. Is it reusing that same splash image over and over again to set the details for itself? That is exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, so you see that code block you're looking at right there?
Yeah.
So that is almost the duplicate code set over and over again, but to widths and sources and settings all the way down there to create the aspect ratio that we see. Josh, yes, you're right. It's just a link to get there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all it is, man. It's all it is. Every time we've accidentally popped out that HTML block in a Google browser, that's what we're looking at. Yep.
Yep. And that's stored on like the company's WordPress website usually. Inside of their I think what is it? Inside of their content management system.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, if you build a website on WordPress and like you really build it from HTML and CSS, like you'll see how much you'll learn how to build everything with HTML.
So, dude, I just verified actually that clicking and opening any of those links within that stair step you see to the left of what you're scrolling on there, go up, that's the same link over and over again, just reevaluating the sizes and images.
So how do I get there?
So right click it. Okay, and then open a new tab. Check this out. Look at that. Now go to another one and open it in a new tab and look at the difference. Oh, look, see, this one's broken down. You can actually see the way it's broken down.
Can you see my screen? Can you
Yeah.
see?
Yep. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, I can't read it, but I can see it.
What about now?
I can read it way better now. Yep.
So what I'm trying to find in here is, oh, image source right here.
There it is. So right click.
Ooh, there's a bunch of image sources.
So it's the same image source though. So right click and open. Open a new tab.
Oh, that would have been cool if it opened over here.
Yeah, it would have been very cool. So each one of those image sources, I was trying to find a differentiating pattern in between each. And it seems like it's just the same image source over and over again for a different format.
Elements. Elements, this is a term I keep seeing in HTML and CSS, elements.
Okay.
Wait, look at this button.
What'd you find?
Google device toolbar. You can turn it into.
Oh, look at that. What does that look like to you? It looks like an Instagram. It looks like a mobile device.
And then look at this. Dimensions are responsive. Let's say we want it to be an iPhone
That's
12 Pro.
dude, that's why they have all of the different layouts with the same image. That makes so much more sense. So
So
I'm looking
iPhone 12.
so I'm looking at the code block I have beside my image, and it's just the same image repeated over and over and over and over again. But it seems that each one of those is representative of what you select to be the destination device.
Bro, look at this. It's like I'm on this.
Wow. That's super cool.
Bro, and then look. iPad mini. Or
Yeah, change it. Change it for me. Anything. I'm watching to see if it's moving on the right side as you change it. Like, is it referencing a different layout for the same picture in each one of those sections of code?
but see, this is something I also want to get good at is understanding
Dimensions
the
surface
dimension.
duo. Okay.
You can zoom out. You can zoom into 200%. Throttling.
That's exactly what each one of these clippets is of the same image. It's a different image for a different device on each one. That's so cool.
You can make pages.
I had no idea that's how it worked. So when you create this, you create this block of HTML, and what you do is you set the different determined widths and settings for each type of display that you're trying to push it onto.
Bro, look at this. You press this button. What is this for? Select an element in the page to inspect it. So look, it turns into HTML.
Yeah.
These are all just little elements.
That's every part of it. Every single part of the page. That's really cool.
Select an element to inspect it. Bro, this is Elementor. Have you ever heard of Elementor?
What's Elementor?
It's a tool where you can make websites with elements like this, but it's all just drag and drop. It's like Content Builder.
Okay, got you.
You can make a whole website on WordPress.
Create a website, Elementor. There it is.
But this is the HTML and
CSS.
CSS.
Boy, it ain't cheap either.
How much is it?
Oh goodness, man! For just a essential plan, $59 a year. Advanced plan, $99 a year. Expert plan, $199 a year, and agency plan, $400 a year.
But bro, if you're making a website and you're trying to not spend, let's say you have a Wix website,
right,
or you have like a drag and drop website builder like Squarespace, bro, it's like $59 a month.
Okay, I got you. So then it's affordable.
Yeah,
but because you're putting in the elbow grease.
You're putting in the elbow, but you're putting all this together. You're just not typing in. It's one step above HTML and CSS.
I mean, Kaelan, if you bring up the website of Elementor and you go to the builder section, if you look at the side section of it, tell me what that looks like to you. Okay, so no, go to no, you were there. So go to the top, and then go to products, and then website builder. What's that look like to you? What's that look like to you? On
Content
the left,
builder.
Yeah, exactly. Look at the left-hand side of that. Columns, heading, image, text editor, video, button, divider, spacer, Google Maps, icon, post, portfolio, slides, form.
Yep.
Isn't that something? And that all under one roof, everything managed, no hidden fees.
Bro, this is This is the best way to build a website. Honestly, I just didn't want to. It just took a lot, bro, to build it.
Of course. But it's funny, we're doing the same thing where we're building right now with somewhat of the same tools, just older school.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
real.
Yep.
Because like you can get look at these guys' website. Oh, it's not loading. But hey, they have some cool websites. View website.
I mean, tell me that's not sweet.
Like, bro. Oh, wait. Bridging machine learning with business. What is this? Design, deploy, and manage AI apps. AI apps require data connectivity, infrastructure, monitoring, and the ability to develop and deploy models, providing value at scale. It enables companies to quickly build, iterate, and scale ML-driven, machine learning-driven apps. Yeah, this is another level. But yeah, bro.
Oh, absolutely.
Dude, that's really cool. So if I click on this image right here, look, it takes you directly to it, bro. Look.
Look at that.
See how the right side changes?
Yep. Because we've hit the border, or sorry, margin area. Margin area. Yeah.
Divider class. And then look, watch this. Divider class right here. See that?
Yep.
Watch how that divider class opens. Look how that little arrow's to the right.
Yeah.
Watch how when I go in, watch, it's going to open, but it's going to be up. Look up. Look up.
Yep.
Divider class.
Okay.
Right here, you have divider class, which is open. Right here. But look at root point 8D, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to move up to like here. Watch. And divider class opened up. The other divider class opened up. The other divider class. So it's these, you know, the little Russian dolls where it's the big Russian doll, the little one.
Yeah.
And the
Each one opens up to a nesting doll within. Nesting dolls.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Everything is just nested inside of each other. Wow. So then you can even look at what's in the divider class below that. Divider class more ZF. Where's that one at? Because that's what we're inside. Divider class equals more ZF. And then under that is image sizes, max width, 767 pixels. Look at that. That's what we're looking for right there. Bro, they have a whole, this is like a whole community back here.
Oh, absolutely. You got all kinds of updates and what improved JavaScript debugging.
What's new in dev tools? I mean, honestly, bro, like this is just taking us down a rabbit hole now. There's so much. I'm actually glad we're doing it.
Hold on, did you change microphones?
One sec.
No, you're back. You're good. You're good.
I'm gonna present this Chrome. What's new? Boom, boom. Let's see.
And I'm excited to share with you the first DevTools update of the year step from the user flow. Right-click at any step for further action and copy the code to the clipboard. Open an existing user flow in the recorder. Previously, when you were replaying the user flow, DevTools would always refresh the page. That works well for most of the case. However, you might want to perform in-page automation without reloading the page. With the latest updates, the recorder shows both the step viewport and navigation steps separately. You can right-click on the step and remove it. Keep replaying the user flow and add more coffee to the cart. By the way, I really like the new right-click menu. Previously, you had to move your mouse to the far right and click on the three-dot menu. Too much work. I'm glad we can right-click anywhere in the step now. Did you notice the new copy options? Instead of exporting the whole user flow, now you can copy only the step to the clipboard. It works with your extensions too. For example, you can copy the step as Nightwatch.js scripts. This way, you can paste and update any existing script with ease. Next, the performance panel now shows the actual function names in the trace if there is a source map. For example, in my code, I have a say hi function and a take a break function. However, this is not what the browser reads. The file is minified during production. Open the minified file, the say hi function becomes N and the take a break function becomes O. Previously, when you record the trace in the performance panel, the trace only shows you the minified functions names. Obviously, this makes it harder to debug. With the latest changes, DevTools now reads the source map and shows the actual function names. You can also click on the link to jump directly to the code. Next, we have 2 new shortcuts for the keyboard lowers, one for the sources panel and one for autocomplete. When you have multiple files open in the sources panel, you can switch between them using function, command, arrow up and down in macOS. If you are using Windows or Linux, use the Control, page up or down key. Apart from that, open the console and type window dot. You can use the arrow up and down to navigate the autocomplete list. For Emacs lowers, you can use the Control N and Control P as well. Next, 2 more interesting.
Bro, they already have all the functions inside of the thing you can just scroll through.
That's great.
I love this.
Updates on advanced debugging. DevTools now evaluate new.target and wake-ref reference directly during debugging. Have you heard of new.target before? It is a meta property that lets you detect whether a function was called using the new operator. Let's set a breakpoint in this function and execute it. In the console, you can log any variables in this function to check their values. This applies to new.target as well. Previously, it would return errors when you entered new.target. We have fixed that. Apart from that, a wake-ref object lets you hold a wake reference to another object without preventing that object from getting garbage collected.
Okay.
That's got to be way less oppressive at normal speed, because that's one of the most oppressive lessons I've ever heard. I couldn't even handle it. Not even gonna lie. I felt like she was yelling at me the entire time. And I'm guessing it's the speed of it.
Oh my gosh. Dude, hey, we're learning a lot.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I'm gonna see edit attribute. I'm gonna copy that. Watch. Okay, this thing doesn't move over. That's the only thing. It's like, how do you move this thing to the right so you can see the whole text? Oh yeah, you're not seeing my screen, are you?
Nope, just you.
How do you move this over to the right so you can see all the stuff to the right?
There's a border in between those two. If you want to really focus on the stuff on the right, there you go.
I'm moving it over as far as I can.
No, like, you mean you want to get rid of everything on the right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can. There might be a collapse button in there somewhere hidden. But you've got it shrunk down pretty far. Let me go back to that area so I can take a see and see if I can get it to move out of the way. All right, let me see if I can find a. No.
Oh, here we go.
You got it?
Look at that.
Oh, there we go. Threw it to the bottom, huh?
It said dock side. It said, do you want the dock on the right or the bottom? Then you have where it can show up like that.
Yep, I just moved it to the bottom as well. Now I can draw up from the bottom to the code on the top, which is way nicer.
Oh, bro, so nice.
So much nicer. Yeah, the right-hand side column was rough.
Oh, wait, where am I at? Because, oh, snap. Look, there's one that's like this.
Oh, you got a pop out, eh?
It becomes a whole screen.
Dock to right, dock to bottom. Oh, yeah, undock to separate window. That's what we want. And
Bro,
now I've got a full screen of code.
Oh, this is legit. Oh my gosh. So we have the image source for for, where is it at?
So Saksham asked how to set up the friend to forward feature in Marketing Cloud HTML emailer.
Forward email to a friend. Forward to a friend. You know, that's a great question. We need to focus on that in one of our sessions.
Absolutely.
Because
And
honestly, I've never set that up.
And
Forward to a friend feature.
So I've got a little preface for us. So forward to a friend is an image you add to emails you send to your subscribers. When subscribers want to share the information in your email with a friend, they click the image and fill out the form. When a subscriber clicks forward to a friend, a form appears where the subscriber can enter a personal comment to the recipient, which precedes a standard message inviting the recipient to subscribe. A single subscriber can only submit 10 forward requests per email sent. The default FTAF form has 8 submissions. So that's anywhere from 10 to 80 addresses forwarded to a total. Additionally, you're able to track how many times your emails are forwarded using the feature and how many new subscribers you've gained as a result of that forward. The forward to a friend feature also protects the privacy of a subscriber by removing the link to manage subscription, update profile, and one-click unsubscribe from the email. Interesting.
Will you put that that link in the chat?
I'll give it to you so you can put it in there.
Look, bro. I found the image source and look what I put into the content builder email.
So you put the picture there instead of the sad face.
You can literally do anything if you know how to code. Wow.
And then actually, I've got the whole breakdown for add forward to a friend, so we can do that in a video soon for Saksham.
Hey, thank you for the question, Saksham. Yeah, we'll do that for sure. Look at that.
I mean, there it is, man.
So we built this email out. We're going to just grab in the
sad face.
Yeah. So we have, I think it's this one. It's over here too. Oh, it's this image source. Hey,
yeah,
okay.
we found it in that giant HTTP there at the bottom.
Right.
Yep.
Let's see if I can change replace. Okay, so this is what I've noticed. You put a link in to have the image be, so you have to delete it. You can't replace it.
Okay.
Scale to fit. Let's see what this is at. 216 by 216. Huh. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
And then we have this. Let's just do, let's say, I wonder how they got them over to like this. You see how they're like situated on the left?
Yeah, which is from the original email. I don't like them in the left. I'd rather have them centered.
Same. Okay, yep. Here's what I'm thinking.
Okay, I'm glad we're on the same page. I don't like it on the left. It feels lopsided.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was just trying to figure out how did he get it like that? Like,
okay,
because we could do 50-50 for sure.
Yeah, but what does that change for us when we do 50? But no, we don't want that. That's definitely pushing. You're going to be happier than sad.
Right. You better be happy now. No, okay, I had it at scale to fit.
So we need to buffer the border in between the two, right? To push the two apart. Okay.
That looks good.
Is that mobile or is that email? Oh, that's desktop. What's it look like in mobile?
Hold on. I'm going to change the layout settings, background to white.
Okay.
And then mobile.
Oh, they're stacked on top of each other.
So this, padding on the bottom?
I don't know.
Or is it margin?
Because in mobile, do we want them stacked? Because here's our options. If we reduce the size in the email version, they're going to look kind of small and weak. But that'll give us the side-by-side in mobile. But if we keep them the size they are in the email version, it's going to give us the top and the bottom and top vertical for the smiley and sad face. You see what I'm saying?
Let's see how big it looks. Let's see if we
Let's
go.
see. Actually, instead of seeing how big it looks, let's see how small it takes to make it get side by side. Like, what does it take to shrink them down to get them side by side? Okay, how do we? Okay, how do we get that other block up there? Come on now, little block.
Let's just say we do like 20.
Just to see. Yeah, we're just playing. Oh, see. Okay, so the layout is failing not because of the size, but because of the side by side, the parallel of the block. Am I wrong? If I feel
No.
like it's forcing them vertically instead of allowing them to rest horizontally. So what if we shrink the
Or
size
what if we hide this preview? Look, device preview for this block.
Okay.
What if this block is specifically, what if we save this block as create new? What if we do it like this? What if we do it like this? We go block settings, hide this on mobile, go to this one, hide this on mobile, and then we come up here, we press done editing, and we do layout settings, and we click done editing. We come down here to mobile, and then we do a layout of 2 side by side. Still doesn't do it. So 2 side by side, even if you bring it in mobile wise, it still does the.
It won't allow us to do the parallel, will it?
So
maybe it is just a vertical setup. But I don't like that answer because we should have the power to do anything we want.
Yeah. I think that's where HTML will come in.
Yep.
Knowing how to do that and stack, put them side by side and style them. Okay, so we can come back to those blocks. We can come. Well, we have to come back to mobile real quick, or we have to come back to desktop. We have to come back here, press it. You got to come back to block settings, show it on mobile. Block settings, show on mobile. And then that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fair.
And then we'll come over to here. I think it looks good.
I think it looks good too.
So it looks like on mobile. Yeah, I think that looks good. I think they could be a little smaller, but
yeah, they're a little gigantic. I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
There. If you look at the original email, our our faces there have capsized the quick feedback by far.
Yeah.
By far.
But you know what I was thinking about the how to make them look like they're scrunched up to the left?
Yeah.
Is if we pulled over a 4-column layout and we put them to the left.
That's a good point too.
Like we took this. Let's save. I'm gonna save this image block. Save it as
smiley face.
Smiley face. Frowny face. Done editing. Come over here. Pull over this image block. Browse. Where's it at? We'll say smiley. Where did we save it? Where did we save it, actually? Let me go to...
Which folder did we throw that in?
Update existing. Or, one second. Create new. It's in Content Builder. So
Come on, Bubba. Come on. Good boy.
I'm sure Content Builder has a lot of stuff in it.
Good boy. Come on.
Where is it? Are we missing something?
Are we missing a folder or a stash location?
Am I forgetting something here?
AMPscript.
Oh, we're saving a block.
Mm-hmm.
This is an image block. We're just pulling in an image, but that's a whole block there.
Right.
So we're pulling over content and we're pulling smiley face down to
Boom.
Or one sec. Wait. Content, smiley face is a block. It's a block now.
Okay.
Click to add blocks. Or okay, so right here, this is where in this part, content.
And then we're going to throw in looking. Oh, just search it. Let's see where it's at.
I don't think this is content anymore.
There it is. Hey!
Hey, there we go.
And look how we're forcing the area to happen with the content block.
Exactly.
Yes.
So now we have, if we delete this, we go over here to the right.
Mm-hmm.
And we say, yeah, now you look the same.
There it is.
Or we need to do one thing to it.
Yeah.
White. Boom.
All right. Hit me with that mobile. What's that mobile look like? Hey, let's go.
Wait, let's see what mobile looks like over here. Inspect. I'm going to change this. One sec.
Okay.
Dock side to the right. If we go to this, or if we go to this, we go to iPhone. Oh, it's still like that.
Well, okay, that's interesting. What if we change the model? Let's pick an Android device. Whoa.
Hey, it's still the same.
Still the same? Okay, so the rendering that we're seeing in Marketing Cloud isn't necessarily representative of what we'll actually see on the device. So that's a stipulation.
Or it might be what we see on the device, because we might need to add HTML to make it side by side.
Gotcha.
Because I'm looking at this and look at this TD style. And I'm like, this TD style, line height 50, table width align, table, body, table row, table dimensions, Ahref. Where does that take us? Image source, smiley face.
There it is.
So everything's just nested in there like those little Russian dolls.
Yep, absolutely. Nesting. We're just nesting these images within each other.
So if you go up, that's the image, that's the link, that's the dimensions, that's the row,
which is
that's
nested
the
underneath
body of the table.
The body nested
table.
Underneath the table.
There's another table, body, table row. And then that comes up. And then this third one, I bet this is the frowny face. Table row.
Keep going.
Ahref.
There it is. Frowny face. 45 minutes on a Saturday. Let's go.
Dude, hey, we learned some HTML today.
For sure. And we got a great question today, about adding a forward to a friend.
Yeah.
Exactly. Josh said, now I'm going to be thinking about Russian dolls all day. like the Thanksgiving.
Oh,
Josh's going to be nesting his dinner tonight. He's like, I'm going to put a potato inside of a piece of chicken, inside of bacon, inside of...
I'm gonna put some delicious stuff inside of a. Hey, that makes me want to make stuffed bell peppers.
There you go. I'm making some from scratch chicken noodle soup today. That'll feed me for a couple days, so I don't have to worry about. I kid you not. When you leave it on low, that is one of the best breakfasts ever, man. Just that nice warm chicken noodle soup with veggies in it. Oh man, it's
breakfast.
Oh yeah, dude, one of the best breakfasts ever. Yep.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to make some.
I learned a while ago that having some sort of, even if it's just warm water in the morning, it increases your digestion and gets your belly going for the day. So that soup is just, I love it.
Hey,
absolutely.
I'm gonna have to do that, man.
For sure. Well, you know where the recipes are at. Holler at me.
I'm gonna hit you up.
Holler at me. I got all the recipes for you, Josh. Saksham. Of course, you, Kaelan. I always share mine with you. Well, hey, happy Saturday, everybody. Thanks, Kaelan. Thanks, Josh. Saksham for showing up. That's a great question. And I appreciate everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Yep.
We'll see you tomorrow.
MinuteAdmin out.
MinuteAdmin out. See
Later.
ya.